How to delete contacts from Google account permanently. Here's how. First, open Google on your device and tap on the search bar. Then type contacts.googles.com into the search field and press enter. Once you're inside the page, scroll through your list and find the contact you want to delete. After locating the contact, click on it to select it. Next, tap on the 3 vertical dots and choose Delete from the drop-down menu. At this point, the contact will only be moved to trash and not permanently deleted yet. However, if you want to remove the contact permanently, follow this next step. First, click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Here from the list of options, choose Trash. Furthermore, find the contact you wish to erase completely and select it by tapping on it. Then hit Delete Forever to remove the contact permanently from your account. Finally, confirm your action if prompted. This is how to delete contacts from Google account permanently.